recordings from my mail. Okay, so give me some time for that. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Where is my pen? Huh. Yes. So we are doing transitive closure, right? Transitive closure. So can anyone tell me the definition what we had yesterday?
Let R be a relation on a set A. The
Hmm.
transitive closure of R is the smallest relation on A, which contains relation R and which is transitive.
Yes. So basically, you are given a relation R. First of all, you have to check whether this relation itself is transitive or not. If the relation itself is transitive, then no need to find out its closure, right? Okay. But if it is not transitive, Jayashree Maushi, बारीक करा. Okay. Okay. So, basically, a relation is given to you. You have to check whether it is transitive or not. If it is transitive, then no need to find transitive closure. If it is not transitive, then we will apply certain procedures on that, algorithm on that, and we will get one relation which is transitive and which contains R as a subset, and we will find out smallest such relation. You understand? The transitive closure is the smallest set which contains R as a subset and which is transitive. So there are basically three methods, three approaches I told you yesterday. Girls, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
The first approach is using the set itself, the set R. So you take composition R of R, R of R of R, etc., and take union of all those R union, R2 union, R3 up to the number of elements. If you have four, then you will go up to R4 and take union of all of them, and then whatever set you will get, that will be the transitive closure. The second approach is using matrices, and the third approach is Warshall's algorithm. So we are going to study Warshall's algorithm first, okay? And it is very easy to understand. We will basically start with the matrix of the relation, okay? So we will write the steps of Warshall's algorithm today.
Yes, ma'am.
Warshall's algorithm to find transitive closure of a relation R. Okay, so let R be a relation on a set A, suppose, and the elements are identified as A1, A2 up to AN. Okay, so step 1, set girls, you should join on time your lecture. Please see, check your timetable. It is not 9:20 now, it is 8:50. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Set W naught. See, as it is Warshall's algorithm, we will identify all the matrices by the letter W. Okay. So capital W naught you have to write. W naught is equal to MR. What is MR? What is MR? The matrix
Matrix relation of R.
of relation R, right? So you know how to write matrix of the relation R now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The ordered pair which is present in the relation R, for that you will put 1. The ordered pair which is absent in the relation R, the corresponding element will be 0. So it will be a binary matrix definitely every time. K is equal to 1. So you have to always start with the first. Okay. क्या करना है? स्टेप 3 देखो. Transfer. So first you have said you will find matrix of the relation R. You will call it as W naught. Now you want to find out W1. So while finding W1, you transfer. So some entries in W naught will be 1, right? Yes. Yes, girls. Some
Ma'am,
entries in
could you
W naught.
repeat?
Huh?
Ma'am, could you repeat?
Yes. Let me just increase my volume. Some entries in W naught will be 1, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will transfer all those ones as they are in W1. Okay? So transfer all ones from WK to, sorry, transfer all ones from WK minus 1 to WK. K value starts from 1. Okay, so that means when you have W naught, the very first matrix, you will transfer all those ones from W naught to W1 as they are. Okay, as it is. Now the entries which are 0, for them what we have to do? Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now step 4, list the locations P1, P2 and so on in column K. K value starts from 1. So wherever I have one entry in the first column, that location I'm going to call as P1, P2. Okay. You write it down when we will have the problem, the example. That time the idea will be more cleared. Okay. List the locations P1, P2 in the column K of WK minus 1 where the entry is 1, and locations Q1, Q2 and so on in row K. So please try to understand, this is column. First we will start with column and then row. So wherever we have 1 in the first column, all those locations we will call as P1, P2 and so on. And wherever we have 1 in the first row, because my K value is 1 right now, I will call those locations as Q1, Q2 of WK minus 1 where the entry is 1. Step 5, Now we will form all the possible ordered pairs Pi, Qj's. Okay. Put ones. So once you form, suppose you get 1 in the first column twice and you get 1 in the first row only once. Suppose this is your first row and this is your first row. So my p values will be in the first column. Can you see the first column, girls?
This one.
So
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the first column, where you find 1, where you find 1, you find it in the first row, right?
First row and third row.
And third row. So P1 and P3 are 1, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So P1 and P3, then what is the value of Q? In the first row, I have 1 in the first column. Okay. So what is the value of Q1? It is,
1.
1.
okay. So I will form the ordered pairs P1. So instead of actually P1, P2, okay, sorry. So this is not P3, sorry. This should be P2 and the answer is 3. Okay, so P1 is 1 and P2 is 3. Okay, it is not P3. I should not write P3. लोकेशन का नाम मैंने P1 P2 रखा है, but लोकेशन क्या है? First row, third row. So my P1 value becomes 1 and P2 value becomes 3. Q1, there is only one in the first row, so only one Q entry will appear. Now I will form all possible ordered pairs from P to Q. So P1 Q1 first order pair क्या होगी? P1 Q1 that is 1 1, and second order pair क्या होगी? P2 Q1 that is 3 1. So these two locations, if they are not 1 already, then I will make them 1. Do you understand? Do you understand, girls? Girls, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you
Yes,
understand what
ma'am.
I have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what we are going to do. So put ones in all the positions Pi, comma, Qi. You may write this as Qj, no problem. Actually, Qi, okay. Qi, let it be Qi of Wk. Step 6, K is equal to K plus 1. So what do you mean by K equal to K plus 1? Hmm? What do you mean by K equal to K plus 1? You are starting K from
1.
1. So you will do this for the first column, first row. Once you do this step 5, once you complete the step 5, you have to increase the value of K. That means you will look at second column and second row. Then you repeat the procedure 3, 4, 5. Repeat the steps 3, 4, 5. Okay. And again increase the value of K, and you have to do this until you finish with all rows and columns. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So have you finished writing? Then we can have an example.
No, ma'am. Just a minute. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So example, find transitive closure of R of the following relation of the following relation using Marshall's algorithm. So you will remember the name, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and R is equal to 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, and 4, 4. So first of all, you have to tell me whether this relation is transitive or not.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because 1 comma 2 is there and 2 comma 1 is there, but 1 comma 1 is not there.
Exactly. Very good. 1, 2 ordered pair and 2, 1 ordered pairs. These two ordered pairs should give you what? 1, 1. But 1, 1 is not there in R. Similarly here, 1, 2 and 2, 3 should give you what?
One
1
three.
comma 3.
1,
1,
comma 3. So that is not there. Yes. Then 2, 1, 2, 1 and 1, 2 should give you 2, 2. That is also not there. Correct?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
So this relation is not transitive. So observe that R is not transitive. So one example, one counter example is enough कि वो contradict करता है as 1 2 and 2 1 belong to R, but 1 1 does not belong to R. You have two more examples like this, but one is enough to write. Now, first of all, we will find, so W naught is equal to matrix of the relation, right? 1 2 3 4. If you don't understand it, I'm writing the elements here. So can you tell me the matrix of relation?
Oh, ma'am,
1,
the first one will be 0,
0
1,
1
1,
One.
0, 1,
uh,
1, 0, 1, 0,
0 0 1
1,
0
0.
0 0 0 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All of you, please write it quickly. Finished? Have you all understood the first step?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm,
We are
Ma'am, will you
writing the,
explain?
yes.
Ma'am, will you explain how to take that matrix value?
What?
Ma'am, will
You
you
are not,
please explain how to take matrix value?
Okay. So the ordered pair, tell me from A, how many ordered pairs are possible? How many ordered pairs will be there in the Cartesian product A cross A?
4.
How
Ma'am,
4?
16.
16. Ordered
Huh,
pairs I am
16.
saying it will be 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4. Likewise, 16 ordered pairs are possible. And how many we have chosen in R? R is a subset of A cross A. So the ordered pair which is present in R, that should be
2.
taken as 1. 1 2 1 2. This 1 is for row and this 2 is for
Column.
column. Do you understand? When it comes to write a matrix, I will consider first row, second column entry. So this is the first row, second column entry.
Yes, ma'am.
So the ordered pair which is present in R, for that you have to take 1. Is there ordered pair 1 1 in R? Do you find 1 1
No.
in R? So for that we have taken 0.
Okay. Understood.
Understood? So the matrix of relation will be always a binary matrix, zeros and ones. Okay. So what our step 1 says that you write W naught as MR. Step 2 says that set K is equal to 1. So K is equal to 1 now I am taking. So while writing W1 now, I will transfer all the ones from W naught as they are. So wherever you get 1, you write those ones as it is. So कहाँ कहाँ पे 1 है आपके पास? ये सारे 1 हमें लिखने हैं, okay? Because it should contain R as a subset. So this one, one, and 1. Okay? These entries I am retaining as 1. Do you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Now, okay, when you set k is equal to 1, in the first column, look at your W naught. I'm writing W naught again for your reference. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So right now my k value is 1, that, and I want to concentrate on the first column. You understand this? Look at the first column because k is 1. Look at the first column. In the first column, where do you find entry 1?
2 comma 2.
Second row, ma'am.
Second
Ma'am,
2
row.
comma
second row.
Second row.
1.
No, in the first column, second row is 1. So what is the value of P1?
2.
2. सबको समझा
2.
है ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
पक्का? Now look at the first row. Look at the first row. Where do you find, just a minute girls, where do you find,
Hello, ma'am.
just a
Hello.
minute girls, just a minute. हाँ, in the first row now. तो आपने k
Ma'am,
की वैल्यू क्या सेट की है?
excuse me,
What you
ma'am.
have? Yes.
Ma'am, in which classroom you are in? Actually, I'm in the college, so I'll come to that room.
अरे dear, I am taking online lecture.
You are not in the college, ma'am?
I am in the college only, but your theory lecture is going on. Be there in the online lecture.
Okay, ma'am.
You have Joined na.
Ma'am, actually, I had my sports practice. That's why.
Okay, okay. But see, sports practice, but every day you are going to join so late like this?
Ma'am, only Wednesday and Thursday.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am, for the delay.
Uh, okay, girls, are you getting? We set k is equal to 1. So we have to look at the column first. Okay? And wherever you get 1, that location I'm going to call as P1, P2, etc. But there is only one 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो P1 वैल्यू आएगी बस हमारे पास सिर्फ P की वैल्यू आएगी 2. Now look at the first row. In the first row where you have 1,
Second
In
column,
second column.
ma'am,
Two
and
and
the
four.
second column, and in the
one fourth
fourth
column.
column. So Q1 will be 2
Two.
and
Q2
Q4,
will be 4.
Q2, sorry, Q2. I am also confused. Q2 is equal to 4. Yes, Q1 is 2 and Q2 is 4. So form, so हम कैसे लिखेंगे देखो यहाँ पे. We'll write K is equal to 1. In the first column, there is 1. Actually, from these ones also you can make out. Now you need not to write 1. Na? You need not to write
Yes,
W
ma'am.
naught again. As you are transferring all these ones as they are from W naught to W1, here only you can find out your values. So in the first column, there is 1 in the second row. Correct लिखा है मैंने?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Therefore P1 is equal to 2. ये करेक्ट है क्या? बताओ.
Yes, ma'am.
इसके बाद में क्या लिखूं बताओ.
In the first row, there is 1. In the
Now
third,
I'll
second
write in
column,
the first row,
there is 1. In
there
the
is 1 in
in
the
the second column and
second
fourth column.
and fourth
column.
column. Therefore, Q1 is 2 and Q2 is 4.
4.
And now I'm going to form all the ordered pairs Pi, Qi. Okay. Therefore, we form P1, Q1. पहली ordered pair क्या बनेगी?
P1, Q1.
And दूसरी क्या बनेगी? P1,
Q2.
Q2. We form P1, Q1 and P1, Q2. That is, we have 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 4. We replace these values. We replace the values at these locations. We replace the zeros at this these locations by 1. If they are not already 1, if they are 0, so we will replace the zeros by ones. Have you understood it, girls? So 2
Yes,
entry
ma'am.
I'm replacing by 2 entry I'm replacing by 1, and 2 4 also I'm replacing by 1. So I have brought some changes in my matrix. Is that okay? And the rest elements I'm keeping as zeros. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are done with k equal to 1. What is the step number 6?
K plus 1.
That means you have to go to the next column and next row, right? पहले तो
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
W2, yes, yes. Now k is equal to 2. k की वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो गई, k इक्वल टू 2 हो गया. While writing W2, I will transfer all my um, ones. So I'm getting 1 0 1. This is 0. Now the whole row has become 1. Kya? Entire row has become 1s.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 1. I'm sorry, I should not write zeros. So I'm transferring all my ones from W0 1 to W2. Okay, so can you tell me quickly what are the P1 values? You have to look at the second now. K is 2. So look at the second column and second row. So what are the values of P? P1 is equal to, so
Ma'am, 1
both
and 2.
uh,
Ma'am,
P1 is
P1
1
1
and 2.
and P2 is 2.
is equal to 2.
What about Q1? Now look at the second row.
Ma'am, Q1 is equal to 1, Q2 is equal to 2,
Q3 is equals
Q3
to 3 and
equal to 3,
Q4 is
Q4
equals
is
Q4 is
to
equal
4.
to 4.
So replace all possible ordered pairs. How many ordered pairs will be there now? 8. है ना? 1 1 1 2 सारे पी आई क्यू आई ऑर्डर पेयर्स फॉर्म करने आपको. तो P1 की वैल्यू 1 कांस्टेंट रखो, चेंज क्यू आईज 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4. So replace 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 1 2 2 2 3 and 2 4 by 1 if they are not 1 in W1. Correct? Are you getting the point?
yes, ma'am.
So already ये जो हमारी values है 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 already 1 है. हाँ, ये already 1 है हमारे. और
is
कौन 1 है? 1 2 भी है और 1 4 भी है. सिर्फ हम replace किसे करेंगे फिर?
1, 1 and 1, 3.
Yes. समझा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will rewrite the whole matrix again. So my W2 will look like 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, so I think this is 9:38 and we are about to end the lecture. So your homework is complete for k equal to 3 and k equal to 4. Will you do this?
Yes, ma'am.
And we will continue in the next lecture, same problem. Okay, have you finished writing this?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute.
Jaldi jaldi. CR, who is the CR? Adi Renu, she is there in the class. Any CR is there in the class? Finished writing?
मैम आदि का नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है.
तो दूसरा कोई कौन है? CR SR?
कौन सी यार
अटेंडेंस
है?
लो प्लीज.
प्रिया जादव है मैम.
अटेंडेंस लो क्विकली. चलो स्क्रीनशॉट लो and send me the attendance.
ओके मैम.
Put today's date and present numbers only. Okay, take the screenshot quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, let us stop here, girls.
Thank